Good morning, you guys. Today is day 2 and we are about to go to the mall to go do the escape room. We're all getting dressed right now. We had some breakfast. It was alright breakfast. Hotel breakfast, so you're not gonna get too much better than that. But we're gonna go get dressed at the not the hotel. We're gonna get dressed and then we're gonna go to the mall. But I want to show you guys the outside. I can't see because it's so bright. People are probably looking at me, but that's okay. And we got a view of the pool. You guys couldn't really see it last night because it was dark, but it's a heated pool, so that's pretty nice. It's supposed to be raining today, so that's why we're going out. And hi, hello, hi. There was somebody waving at me. I don't know who she is, but yeah. So we're just gonna get dressed, and I will talk to you guys once we get like to the mall and start the escape room and everything. I look the same as how I did yesterday, but I swear I have a different outfit on. I just have this jacket on, but it actually is kind of hot. Hey you guys, we're about to leave to go to the beach right now. So the beach is all the way out there. I'm gonna try and see if I can zoom in for you guys. The beach is like right there, but the sun is beaming. It's hot, and yeah, it's hot. We're about to leave right now, but I'm trying to show you guys my outfit. I can't see because it's so bright out here, but I'm gonna pick up with you guys in a little bit once we're like walking over there, because we're gonna walk over there. We are walking to the beach right now.
Y'all didn't have to leave me like that.
Walking towards the beach.
Thank the Lord. Not currently. You gon'
all of this.
That's why I fucking fell.
I just hate that whenever I exercise my legs are everywhere.
If y'all are not following me on TikTok, then make sure y'all do that, because I have been posting a lot of videos on there. So if you want to see more of like the trip and everything, then make sure to follow me on there, because I've been posting a lot of content.
That's good lighting.
Yeah. So we're almost there.
It could be hard.
Oh, I have this strap wrapped around my wrist, so that's why I'm struggling with it. So we are here at the beach, and honestly I'm getting more comfortable vlogging out in public, because who cares? Who cares? I have a camera, so what? I have a camera, so what? So the beach is right there. Over there.
No.
I will. Bye. So I'm gonna be walking this way because the sand. Why do you have shoes on at the beach? Don't come for me. Don't come for me. They in the back right there. I don't know what they're doing, but it looks very pretty out here. Very nice weather. Not too cold, but not too hot. Mom, you got the perfect shoes on, because no sand is gonna get in your shoes. Yeah, sand is gonna get in my shoes. out here because why not? Hopefully I don't run out of storage. And I also brought my extra battery too, just in case my camera dies, because I did not charge my other battery. So, oh my gosh, look at the doggy. Look at that dog, you guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Hi. Oh my gosh. You want me to take it with my phone? Or this camera? Hey y'all. I'm gonna just have this recording because hope the wind don't blow too hard.
Blow over your entire tip the rock.
I know, very useful.
Hello, vlog.
Ready? Go have it.
Hello.
Just say F your life. Hey, you guys. So we're still at the beach.
Can't go that way. It's gonna sign A.
We are we're about to go touch the water right now. We were just making some TikTok videos. So now we're about to go touch the water. Asia's over there. And then we're gonna go to the escape room, or the mall actually, because we're actually not going to the escape room until 6:40 because my mom made reservations for 6:40 to go to the escape room. So we're gonna go do that later. But it smells like booty, and it feels pretty nice out here. So there's a lot of people out there. That's pretty cool. I don't know how I'm gonna touch the water because I got shoes on, but I guess I could just touch it with my hands. But it looks nice. Oh, you got close. You got close. You got close. You got close, but not close enough.
This reminds me of
It
Hawaii.
looks really nice. Really nice.
It's giving Hawaii vibes.
We're about to head back right now. So I will update you guys once we get into the mall, so you guys can know what we're doing, and I'll update you guys when we get there. I just said that, but yeah. Hey guys, so we're here at the mall at the Irvine Spectrum Center. I don't know if y'all can hear me though, but there's a lot of people, and we are currently walking to the escape room right now. Even though it doesn't start, we're probably gonna get some food, and then but yeah, we are here right now with the family. You can't see them, but we're walking right now, and we're not allowed to record in the escape room, so I won't be able to show you guys that because it's just not allowed. So I'll record up until the point where we're like actually gonna go in. Hey guys, so we are currently at Dave & Buster's. We're about to eat. Everybody right here, and we're about to eat some food because your girl is hungry.
The only one really hungry. Exactly.
I was the one who woke up this morning and ate.
I'm not full, but I mean, we still got 3 hours. The game started with Mama, ending with Sean, subject is cars, Honda Civic,
Ford Fusion,
Hyundai Elantra.
Toyota, GMC Yukon,
Aston Martin. I already said that.
the Ford Focus.
But okay, why don't we do only the make? I mean the model.
Okay.
The make? Is it the model or the make?
The make is Honda.
Okay, so the model is Honda.
Can you focus on
We are playing concentration this game. But we're still at different restaurant. Hey, so my camera actually ran out of storage, so I needed to delete some stuff.
Never done an escape room? You think it's easy, but alright.
So I'm just gonna end the video right here. We're actually gonna go into the escape room a little bit earlier. We're gonna go in at 5. So
And it's the heist, because I didn't even see that one even.
and we're gonna do the heist. We're gonna do the heist theme escape room. But I'm gonna end it right here. Make sure you guys like. Make sure you guys like. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on all my social medias, TikTok and Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. I don't know if I'm gonna do a day 3 or not. I don't know what we're gonna be doing, but
will we be able to have a bag?
I don't know if we're gonna be doing a day 3 or not, but I will let you guys know. I mean, if there is another video up there, then I did a day 3, and if there's not, then there's not. But I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Say bye, family.
Bye.
Bye.